A Ukrainian first-person view drone hit a Russian Mi-28 attack helicopter over Russia's Kursk Oblast on August 6th. A source in the Security Service of Ukraine told the Kyiv Independent on August 7th. The drone, operated by the Special Operations Center A of the Security Service of Ukraine, managed to hit the helicopter's tail rotor, the source said, calling it a unique special operation in military history. Footage of the FPV drone ramming into the helicopter began circulating social media on August 6th. A day later, the full video was published by Ukrainian activist Serhiy Sternenko. While the source said that the helicopter was shot down, it is not immediately clear from the video what happened to the aircraft after the attack. Russian military blogger Alexei Zemtsov, who runs the channel Voyevoda Veshchayet, wrote on the evening of August 6th that a Russian helicopter was hit and was forced to land. Zemtsov claimed that the crew survived and the aircraft was sent to repairs, but he did not specify its model. According to Sternenko and several other observers, this is the first case of a successful hit by an FPV drone against a helicopter mid-air. The SBU once again demonstrated a high level of professionalism, creativity, and innovation in destroying the enemy. We still have many unexpected surprises for Russia, the source said. At least one similar but unconfirmed claim appeared on July 31st. Forbes wrote at the time that, according to Russian military bloggers, a Ukrainian drone successfully destroyed Russia's Mi-8 transport helicopter in the sky near occupied Donetsk. The outlet linked to a photo of what it presented as the burning Mi-8 wreckage, but provided no visual evidence of the aircraft being hit by the drone. Moscow claimed that Ukrainian forces crossed the border into Kursk Oblast on August 6th, resulting in clashes on Russian soil. Though Kyiv has largely refused to comment on the fighting in the area, the crowdsourced monitoring website Deep State said that one Russian Ka-52 attack helicopter and at least 2 tanks were destroyed in the battle. The source's comments are another indication that Ukrainian forces are active in Kursk Oblast. The main pressure of Russia's offensive should come to a close within 1.5 or 2 months, Ukraine's military intelligence chief Kyrylo Budanov said in comments reported by Forbes Ukraine on August 7th. Russia launched a new offensive in the northern part of Kharkiv Oblast back in May, but the advance eventually ran out of steam. The operation was seen by many experts as an attempt to distract and stretch Ukrainian forces thin. In the meantime, Russia has continued to seize villages in Donetsk Oblast and push toward the towns of Chasiv Yar and Pokrovsk, which is said to be Moscow's main target. The practice of a 10-year war shows that the offensive potential of any side does not last more than 2 months. The Russian offensive operations are approaching 3 months, so there will be some decline, Budanov said. General Oleksandr Pivnenko, the commander of Ukraine's National Guard, said presented a similar timeline back in July, when he estimated that the Russian offensive would wind down within a month and a half. Speaking to the graduates of the Kyiv School of Economics, said that after a slight lull, Russia will try to attack again. We are preparing for this. Therefore, everything depends on ourselves, what our actions will be, he added. Are we just going to sit and wait, let 4 or 5 months pass, and everything will happen again? Or will we act proactively? In May, Budanov said he expected Russia to launch a new offensive into Sumy Oblast after attacking near Kharkiv. Moscow claimed on August 6th that Ukrainian troops broke into Russia's Kursk Oblast, which borders with Sumy Oblast. The clashes on Russian soil were reported, but Kyiv has not commented on these claims. Fighters of the Russian Volunteer Corps reported that they successfully blew up railway tracks near the city of Muga in the Leningrad region. And Ukraine has losses too. 2 Ukrainian Buk M1 tellers were destroyed by Tornado-S in Sumy Oblast. First was hit by cluster munitions, which lead to at least 2 missiles cooking off, and the second by an airburst, which didn't detonate because the Buk was empty, but a fire coming from the position can be seen. Operators of FPV drones from the Tsunami Regiment of the National Police Brigade, Lyut, in cooperation with the 25th Separate Airborne Brigade, detected and destroyed a Russian MSTA-S self-propelled howitzer. Car for Ukraine is thanking our audience for donation and reporting on the progress with the campaign for medics in Kharkiv. As of August 7th, they've collected nearly half of the targeted amount and already purchased the first vehicle, Nissan Patrol, a highly mobile and reliable truck. Support the campaign at car4ukraine.com.
Hi folks, I'm driving Nissan Patrol. Amazing car. One owner for the last 12 years. That's one of the first vehicles we bought for medics of the 3rd Assault Brigade. Loading into a lorry today en route to Ukraine. It's already stacked up with some supplies, traveling with it. So stay tuned, there will be more.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.